In this lesson, we will explore how to find real product ideas using one completely free resource inside Amazon The Bestsellers page. Many beginners overlook this tool, yet it is one of the fastest ways to understand what customers are actually buying right now. The challenge is that navigating to this page by clicking around can be confusing because Amazon changes menus by region and device, and the link often disappears from the footer or the hamburger menu. The simplest and most reliable method is to type the address directly into your browser, amazon.com/best-sellers/zgbs, and replace .com with your local marketplace if you are in the United Kingdom, India, Canada, or elsewhere. This direct path takes you to the live lists without the hassle of hunting through menus. Using the bestsellers page gives beginners several advantages. It is free, it is fast, and it teaches you the language and feature sets that convert right now. It helps you spot bundle ideas simply by observing what successful listings include or what customers say they still need. It also shortens the time from research to a short list because you are working from real demand rather than random brainstorming. There are challenges you must respect. The most visible winners attract heavy competition and brand dominance, so copycat products struggle. The bestsellers list does not reveal shipping realities or return risk, which matters a lot for bulky products like extra-large dog beds. Branded designs are protected, so you need legitimate differentiation or a wholesale relationship. Treat the page as a compass, not an automatic green light. When you arrive at the bestsellers page, there are two ways to explore. The first is to browse the main bestsellers homepage. This gives you a broad overview of the overall top-performing products across Amazon, but it will not highlight every category in depth. The second method is more focused. If you already have an interest in a certain niche, you can use the list of categories on the left-hand side of the page. For example, if you sell in home and kitchen, click that category and Amazon will show you the best-selling products only in that space. This way, you can either explore broadly to see what is winning across the entire platform, or dive deep into the specific category that matches your selling strategy. The bestsellers page matters because it shows sales momentum in plain view. Every product you see sits on a ladder of rank within its category. Lower rank means faster sales. As a beginner, you do not need to guess what buyers want. You can see it in front of you. Your goal is not to copy the top product. Your goal is to use this page to learn which features buyers respond to, then look for a way to deliver those benefits with small but meaningful improvements. Start with a quick scan of the first rows to understand the theme of the winners. Then scroll deeper or click into subcategories where competition is a little lighter. Open a few product pages in new tabs. Read the bullets to collect the non-negotiable features that repeat across winners. Skim recent reviews to find patterns in complaints. Watch for weak photos, thin copy, or listings with modest review counts that you could realistically outperform. The bestsellers page gives you the demand signal. The product pages show you where to differentiate. Let me make this concrete with two products you can study as examples. First is the Benebone Wishbone Durable Dog Chew Toy for aggressive chewers in the medium size with real bacon flavor and made in the United States. Three things jump out immediately. The shape is easy for a dog to grip, the flavor cue is strong and specific, and the origin claim gives buyers confidence. This tells you that durability, ergonomics, and flavor are the core benefits in this sub-niche. If you decide to pursue a chew toy, you would not copy Benebone. You would design your own angle that respects patents and trademarks while solving clear pain points. For example, many owners mention hard-to-clean surfaces or flavor that fades. You could explore a smoother outer texture that still satisfies chewing instincts, a removable or replaceable flavor core, or packaging that stores the toy between sessions to preserve aroma. Now here is where beginners can gain an advantage. Even though Benebone is a dominant brand, a new seller could still rank a similar product by introducing more variations. Color, size, design, and flavor options create extra shelf space on Amazon and give customers choices that the main brand does not. For example, you could offer smaller chew toys for puppies or very small breeds, extra large models for giant breeds, or bright colors that make toys easier to find outdoors. You could also create multiple flavor versions beyond bacon, such as chicken, peanut butter, or beef, which encourage repeat purchases. With more options, your listing has the potential to capture long-tail keywords like puppy chew toy small breed, blue durable dog toy, or peanut butter dog toy, which are easier for beginners to rank for. Customers also love variety, so a listing with multiple variations often converts better, and that higher conversion rate is a strong ranking signal to Amazon's algorithm. In short, you may not outrank Benebone overnight, but you can carve your own space by solving unmet needs and positioning your product as the more flexible and customer-focused option. Second is the Haysiger orthopedic dog bed for extra large dogs in the 44 by 32 inch size, waterproof cover, memory and egg crate foam, bolstered sides, non-slip bottom, and a removable washable cover. This cluster of features appears again and again among dog bed winners, which gives you a spec baseline. Owners of big and senior dogs want support, protection from accidents, easy washing, and a bed that stays put on smooth floors. Reviews in this niche often complain about sagging foam, seams or zippers that fail, covers that trap hair or odors, and sizing that does not match expectations. If you choose this lane, your differentiation plan could include higher density foam options that hold shape, tougher tear-resistant fabric or reinforced stitching at stress points, a true waterproof liner under the cover, a zipper channel that resists chewing, and size charts that map to crate standards. But here is the real opportunity for a beginner. The original seller already offers many colors and sizes, but not every possible variation. That leaves clear gaps you can fill. For example, if Haysiger does not offer XXL in beige, you could introduce it. If they do not sell medium beds in navy blue, you could own that option. If they skip certain crate fit sizes, you could market your bed as designed specifically for popular crate dimensions. By offering variations they have not covered, you can capture long-tail keywords such as orthopedic dog bed 20L beige, medium washable dog bed navy blue, or crate size orthopedic dog mat. These are highly specific searches with strong purchase intent, and since the main brand does not have those exact variations, you face less competition. This gives you a realistic path to ranking and building visibility, even in a crowded category. Here is how you will use this in practice. Go to the page with the direct address, pick your marketplace, then your category, scan the winners, then dig into subcategories and the lower half of the list to find strong sellers that still have weaknesses you can fix. Open a few product pages, collect the must-have features, and write down 2 or 3 upgrade ideas based on real complaints. Decide your path: private label with honest improvement, bundle missing accessories, or pursue wholesale with a value-add plan. Sanity check size, weight, materials, and the promises you will need to prove in photos and bullets. In the chew toy example, the lesson is flavor, grip, and toughness with easier cleaning, longer-lasting aroma, and a variety of sizes, colors, and flavors to capture more customers. In the dog bed example, the lesson is support, protection, washability, and durability at stress points, while also targeting specific colors, sizes, and crate dimensions that the main brand has overlooked. By following this process, you can turn the bestsellers page into your live market classroom. It gives you real-time demand signals, teaches you the features that matter most to buyers, and shows you exactly where the opportunities for improvement lie. Use the direct link, study the winners, dig into subcategories, and design a better angle that answers real customer pain points. That is how a beginner transforms one free Amazon page into a focused shortlist of product opportunities. In the next lesson, we will build on this foundation and take your product research skills even further.